Installing BTS. Once you have downloaded the correct BTS product for the SYSPRO version being used, unzip the downloaded file and place the extracted executable into the SYSPRO base upgrade folder on the SYSPRO server. And log into SYSPRO as an administrator. A message will be displayed indicating that there is an upgrade file in place. Select Yes to proceed. An Install Custom Packages window will be displayed showing the BTS package information. Select the Install Custom Packages button and the update will initiate. A message will be displayed indicating that the installation of custom packages has completed successfully. And when you select the OK button, you will be logged out of SYSPRO. Log back into SYSPRO, select the SYSPRO logo, and run a program option. Alternatively, simply select the Ctrl and R buttons to initiate the Run SYSPRO program option. In the Program to Run entry field, enter SITINI and select OK. The Source IT initialization program will open. Click the following options: Create or Remove Menu, which will create the BTS menu structures. Create or Remove Security Access, which will allow for the controlling of the user's access to the BTS programs. Create or remove re-indexing of files, as BTS is currently still using CRSAM files in SYSPRO 8. And finally, the Setup Trigger Points option must be selected. Note that you will need to run this SITINI process in each of the SYSPRO companies that is going to be using BTS, and select the Setup Trigger Points option only in each of those companies. Select the OK button and you will once again be logged out of SYSPRO. When you log into SYSPRO again, you will observe that the Source IT Bank Translation System menu option will now exist under the program list. Select the Expand button next to the Source IT Bank Translation System menu option to expand the menu options. Select the Expand button next to the Setup option to find the BTS Relicense program. Run the Relicense program, and using the license details supplied by Source IT, browse to select the relevant expiry date and enter the new code. Make sure the Ignore Warnings and Evaluation License options are unticked and select the Save button. This license process will need to be repeated for each SYSPRO company required to run BTS. Don't forget to set up the triggers by running the SITINI program and ticking the Setup Trigger Points option. To check to see if the triggers have been set up in the current company, select the Administrator tab in the main SYSPRO toolbar and select the Trigger Program button. When the Trigger Program Setup program opens, scroll down to the AP Supplier Maintenance triggers and you should see all three trigger points selected showing the BTT SVL program under the Program 1 column. Scroll down to the EFT Beneficiary Maintenance triggers, and once again, all three triggers should be selected and the same BTT SVL program should be seen in the Program 1 column. The EFT Payment Extract trigger point should also be ticked showing the BTT CAL program in the Program 1 column. You have now completed the BTS installation and basic setup to allow the BTS product to be utilized for those SYSPRO companies.